overnight after. Hi everyone! Sunny. You should say hi everyone. Hi everyone! Today we're going to show you our popsicles from solid to liquid after we left it overnight in the freezer in the low temperature.
Kuya, are you excited with the popsicle?
Yes, I am excited. Here it is! Here it is now! Julia, do you know how it tastes like?
Yes!
What does it taste like? Do you know?
It tastes like lemons.
Now let's taste it.
Okay.
Delicious.
Delicious.
You can try to make this on your own at home too. Bye!